When I first found out that I needed surgery, it was a pretty big bombshell. First meeting with my new doctor, he was just like, you'll need surgery in like 6 months. I was like, right.
There's so many feelings going on in your head, like a lot, mainly worries.
Previously, I'd been to Children's Hospital. My new surgery was going to be the adult hospital. So as well as thinking about surgery, I was thinking about what it'd be like on the ward.
I found out I needed surgery 2 years before it actually happened. It did seem like a really long process.
It was a tough waiting period, but that was because I really just decided to brave it out on my own. I didn't talk to anyone, which looking back, I definitely should have talked to someone about what I was facing.
When you're told you need surgery, you're given a time frame, like 6 to 8 weeks. If your surgery is delayed, don't be worried. We would never allow delays in surgery to put your health at risk.
I know at a younger age, they don't let you sign anything, but at least have a little look at it and go, well, what does that say there? Or what does this little bit mean there? Could you explain it in a bit more detail?
If you have questions, your nurse specialist team is a great point of call for you to ask anything you want. No question is a silly question. We've heard everything before.
I'm always Googling symptoms or surgeries that I've got to have, and it's not a good idea at all. You find all sorts, and you might not even know the real source where it's coming from. Dr. Google isn't a good idea. Listen to the real doctors.
If you are going to look it up online, make sure you go to the British Heart Foundation website, because that will have it in layman's terms. It'll be really easy to understand.
If you try and talk to friends, sometimes they could give you the correct answers. If you talk to support groups, at least they can give you the information needed instead of a friend just saying, good luck.
If you're feeling like you're going through a tough time, it's normal to feel that way. The hospital staff are amazing. Speak to your family, speak to your friends. Everyone's there to help you.